Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss about the project named Hate Speech Classification on Social Media Data. This project inspired from an IEEE paper, and this is that IEEE paper and year 2022 IEEE. So very recent paper. This project domain deep learning, and it comes under the tabular data processing. It's a supervised machine learning type. It means we have a labeled dataset and approach classification. Used technologies, we use Python 3 and Anaconda platform. We utilize deep learning layers from the TensorFlow and convolutional neural network. So this is the parent algorithm for other algorithms. So here we can use CNN based CNN algorithms also. So tabular data, two-dimensional array. So CNN one-dimensional layers we can use here, and then completely we utilize Jupyter Notebook IDE, and we use machine learning techniques for pre-processing purpose. And if you want to load saved result in the form of images, we can use OpenCV library. First, introduction. So hate speech demonstrably aimed at social tension and violence detection becomes increasingly difficult as overlapping emotional feelings occur. However, there are still several unresolved issues with informal and indirect targeting of negative communication, including sarcasm, misrepresentations, and price for the targets on society immortal behavior. So hate speech in the sense, definitely you can understand toxic speeches. It's not a positive sentences, something hateable. That kind of sentences nowadays in social media is increasing. We need to avoid, or else our future generation also will learn this kind of worst things, and they may involve in this kind of worst activities. Problem statement. In today's world, social media platforms are becoming increasingly popular in all areas. People use these platforms to freely express their thoughts and ideas. However, some individuals misuse this opportunity by posting harmful and negative content completely. This is a NLP project. We're going to work with the text. So this kind of harmful and negative content means the textual data, which can have a detrimental impact on the younger generation. Very important. Social media can directly affect younger generations. It is crucial that we take steps to protect our children on the next generation from being exposed to this kind of toxic activity on social media. So this is the problem statement for this project and the proposed system. In order to identify hate speeches, we suggest using advanced deep learning algorithms such as recurrent neural network. So completely textual data, for textual to handle the textual data, this kind of recurrent neural network, long short-term memory, or gated recurrent unit algorithms people's using. With this, CNN also possible to work either in, so this kind of algorithms are an LSTM or GRU either in a unidirectional or bidirectional manner. This deep learning approaches consistently outperform traditional machine learning algorithms. By comparing multiple algorithms, we can determine the best model to effectively detect hate speeches. So what you gonna see all just for one reference. So we have so many ideas to enhance this kind of project. Not only this, So many projects we have, and we have the ideas also. Suppose if your professors or panel members feels need to improve little bit, definitely we have the solutions for that. So you can call, and you can verify about the project. And then this is the system architecture. So definitely we need a historical data, and then we need to perform the pre-processing. We need to split the data for training and testing, model training with the training data, and model validation with the validation data, and then reference target with the model predicted target. We will perform the result analysis part, and we will display the result too. And this is the sample how our data set looks like. Algorithm details. So completely, usually people's using traditional machine learning algorithms for tabular structure, but here if you are interested in this project, we can do CNN also, recurrent neural network, LSTM, GRU, or else a hybrid approach, CNN with the RNN, CNN with the LSTM, CNN with the GRU. These kind of approaches we can perform. Any two algorithms we can train, and we can propose a one best algorithms, or else three based on the cost. So this is the general idea about this project. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, just click the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section. If you want to see more machine learning videos like this, please subscribe this channel. And here I have mentioned office mail ID and 2 valid numbers. Not only this project, if you're interested in this project, directly you can call and discuss about this project, or else if you want some other project also, we have a vision project, image processing project, and almost we working with all kind of data, audio, video, tabular numerical data, tabular textual data, images like this. So you can choose any one project, and you can do some enhanced things in that projects, and peacefully you can complete your final semester project also. So thank you guys.